Today's video, we dug this little high spot out right here, and we're gonna put railroad ties in for a border 4 feet out. We're gonna follow the angle of the fence so we can fill it in with topsoil and plant arborvitaes like 4 feet apart. So stay tuned. Topsoil arrived. This is coming out great. So we'll watch 22 ton of green topsoil sling out of this thing.
A lot of dirt.
Yeah, 22 ton, I think, right?
Yeah.
Green topsoil. We're gonna use that in the whole edge of this out 4 feet. 4 feet. We're gonna fill that all in with topsoil. We're gonna bring this railroad tie up. So stay tuned.
It brings it back. Fucking things don't break when you want them to.
Right? If you didn't want it to,
Yeah.
break all day long.
Coming along great. We only got these 2 pieces. We got to put the angle cut on. I'm finishing up that one, and we'll get this all filled in with topsoil. Trailer styling. So we're all set for topsoil.
Yeah, let's get the topsoil in there tomorrow.
We got the angle of the fence all ready to go. So I'm going to lock all that in with stone, get some pebble stone in the morning and put it all underneath. Lock it all in. So, thanks for watching. We'll have a part 2 tomorrow. Filling this bad boy in, topsoil and stuff. Thanks for watching.